Here I have Motorola One, and let me show you how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open some display to capture maybe the wallpapers. So if you'd like to share your wallpapers with someone, you can show your friends how great wallpapers Motorola offers. So let's, for example, grab the screen. So just select the screen that you would like to capture and then tap on power key and volume down key all together. So just keep those keys all together for about 2 seconds, and that's it. The screen has been captured, and now you can share it, you can edit it, you can delete it, or do whatever you want to with this picture. And let's go to the second method of taking screenshot. So let's open some different display, maybe the settings. And now you can just tap on power key and hold it for about 3 seconds until the menu pops up. And now simply tap on screenshot. And that's it. The screenshot has been made and it's saved. So if you would like to open it, just go to your gallery. So open the list of all apps and now select gallery, which is over here. Select albums and now go to screenshots. And as you can see, here is the second screenshot and here is the first one. So now you can edit this picture, share it, you can send it to your friends or delete it. And you can do with it whatever you want to. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.